In a bid to strengthen its presence in the audio products market, the renowned Chinese audio manufacturer, 1More, has recently unveiled its latest creation, the 1More SonoFlow SE Bluetooth headset. This impressive headset comes equipped with a powerful 40mm dynamic coil, offering enhanced sound quality and an immersive listening experience. The 1More SonoFlow SE builds on the success of its predecessor, the SonoFlow, and is developed to cater to a broader audience by offering a more affordable option without compromising on the essential features. One of the standout features of this new headset is its noise cancellation technology, which effectively blocks out ambient noise, allowing users to enjoy their favorite music or make crystal clear calls in noisy environments. The 40mm dynamic coil integrated into the SonoFlow SE ensures a deep and resonant bass, crisp mids, and clear highs, providing a well-balanced and enjoyable sound profile. Audiophiles and casual listeners alike can expect an impressive audio performance that enhances the overall enjoyment of music, movies, or any other audio content. The 1More SonoFlow SE is the latest offering from the renowned Chinese audio products manufacturer, promising to redefine your audio experience with cutting-edge technology and exceptional sound quality. This feature-packed headset boasts a 40mm dynamic coil with an impedance of 32 ohms, delivering powerful and clear sound across the entire frequency range. One of the standout features of the SonoFlow SE is its advanced noise reduction capabilities. Thanks to the 35 decibels QuietMax dual-feed intelligent noise reduction technology, users can immerse themselves in their favorite audio content without any distractions from external noise. Whether it's the hustle and bustle of a busy street or the hum of an airplane cabin, the SonoFlow SE effectively suppresses ambient sounds, offering an uninterrupted audio experience. With Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, pairing the SonoFlow SE with your compatible devices is seamless and efficient. This wireless connection allows you to move freely without being tethered to your audio source, making it ideal for workouts, travel, or everyday use. The SonoFlow SE also boasts an impressive battery life, offering up to 70 hours of playback on a single charge. However, when the active noise reduction is turned on, the battery life is still an impressive 50 hours, ensuring extended listening enjoyment without frequent charging in a rush. Fear not, as a quick 5-minute charge provides up to 5 hours of playback, perfect for those moments when you need a quick boost of audio. One of the standout features of the SonoFlow SE is the AI call noise reduction, which intelligently eliminates environmental noise during calls. Whether you are making business calls or catching up with friends, this technology ensures that your voice remains crystal clear even in noisy environments. Comfort is a top priority for the SonoFlow SE, as evidenced by the soft protein leather earmuffs that envelop your ears in luxurious comfort. The lightweight appearance, weighing just 240 grams, ensures that you can wear the headset for extended periods without discomfort. With up to 12 different sound effects to choose from, the SonoFlow SE empowers users to tailor their audio experience to suit their preferences. The absence of a distortion filter in the sound effects ensures pure, unadulterated sound reproduction, allowing you to hear your music just the way the artist intended it. Numerous uses for the 1More SonoFlow SE headset exist, including music and gaming. Currently, JD.com and other retail platforms in China offer it. The device is being sold for a starting price of 349 yuan, or roughly $49. At this time, there is no information on the SonoFlow SE headset's global availability or price. However, it is anticipated that the product might subsequently become accessible in other markets. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Have a nice day and see you soon.